Welcome to Best Choice. The best LEGO Easter is probably one of the most anticipated seasonal sets for LEGO fans of all ages. With vibrant colors, intricate designs, and the joy of the Easter holiday, these sets offer a delightful building experience. From charming bunnies to festive egg hunts, LEGO Easter sets capture the spirit of the season, making them a perfect addition to any LEGO collection or a wonderful gift for loved ones. Number 5. LEGO Creator Easter Bunny 30668. Get ready for Easter with this adorable LEGO set. It features a cute Easter bunny and colorful eggs. This is perfect for a fun holiday activity. This set includes a posable Easter bunny enjoying a carrot. Beside it, there are 3 colorful Easter eggs. It's a delightful scene to build and play with. With only 68 pieces, it's a great travel toy. It's easy to pack and take anywhere. The kids can enjoy building it on the go. Looking for an Easter gift or basket idea? This set is perfect for kids ages 6 and up. It's a fun and engaging gift that they'll love. This LEGO set is made of plastic and is non-toxic. It's designed for tactile skill development. It's a safe and educational toy for children. What we like? This set features a posable Easter bunny, making it fun to play with. It's also a great travel toy, perfect for keeping kids entertained on the go. If you are looking for a safe and engaging Easter gift for kids, this one is a great choice. What people say? Great addition to our collection. Consistent with LEGO quality. All parts were included plus a few extras. Our kids loved these in their Easter baskets. A fun idea even for young adults. Conforme à la marque LEGO. Parfait. Number 4. LEGO Easter Rabbits Display 40523. Get ready for spring with these adorable LEGO Easter rabbits. They are the perfect addition to your Easter decorations, bringing a touch of fun and color to your home. This set includes 2 charming bunnies, 5 colorful Easter eggs, and 3 beautiful tulips. You can create a delightful spring scene with these elements. Building instructions also provide customization tips. Looking for a special Easter gift? This set is a great choice for both kids and adults. It's an ideal basket stuffer that everyone will love. These adorable Easter bunnies will add a unique touch to your Easter decorations. They are perfect for rounding out your spring decor and creating a festive atmosphere. Building this set is a fun activity for the whole family. The finished model stands over 3.5 inches tall. It contains 288 pieces, providing a satisfying building experience. What we like? These adorable Easter rabbits are perfect for adding a touch of spring to your home. Building this set is a fun activity for the whole family. If you like to decorate for Easter and want a fun activity, this set is perfect for you. What people say? The set is very cute and the perfect size. The instructions were easy to follow. It was a fun build. Number 3. LEGO Easter Bunny 40463 Building Kit. Introducing the LEGO Easter Bunny. This set lets you build a charming bunny with a posable head and ears. It's perfect for Easter fun. The set includes a meadow setting and 2 customizable Easter eggs. You can decorate them however you like, adding a personal touch to your creation. This LEGO set makes a great gift for LEGO fans aged 8 and up. It's a fun and engaging activity that they'll surely enjoy during the Easter holiday. Once assembled, the Easter Bunny stands over 4 inches tall. It's a delightful display piece that captures the spirit of Easter. The set contains 293 LEGO pieces, providing a satisfying building experience. It's a great way to spark creativity and imagination. What we like? This set includes a buildable Easter bunny with a meadow setting and customizable eggs. It's a great gift for LEGO fans. If you enjoy building and customizing your LEGO sets, you should consider this one. What people say? The set is well designed and the instructions are easy to follow. The details are amazing, and it's a fun build. It's a great Easter decoration. Number 2. LEGO BrickHeadz Easter Bunny 40271. Get ready for Easter with this adorable LEGO BrickHeadz set. It's a fun and easy build, perfect for the holiday season. This Easter bunny features decorated eyes and movable ears, adding personality to the character. It also comes with a detachable carrot and bucket. The set includes 2 buildable Easter eggs and some lovely flowers. These extra details make it a perfect Easter decoration. Each BrickHeadz character comes with a base plate. This one has a seasonal calendar and the BrickHeadz logo. Expand your collection with other characters. You can even mix and match them to create your own unique characters. What we like. This BrickHeadz Easter bunny features a unique design with movable ears. It also comes with a collector's base plate. If you are a collector of Lego BrickHeadz, this is a must-have for your collection. What people say. So much fun to change the way he looks every day by moving his ears to a new position. The bunny is fun to build, holds the attention of children, and I appreciate that these are engaging with the holiday themes and STEAM with engineering and art. The directions were easy for him to follow and he asked for zero help putting this one together. It is cute, and was a great basket filler this year. Number 1. Lego Creator Easter Chick Egg 30579. Get ready for Easter with this adorable Lego set. It's a fun and engaging build that's perfect for the season. This Lego Creator set lets you build a cute Easter chick inside an egg. The set is easy to assemble and provides hours of fun. Looking for a unique Easter gift? This set is a great choice for Lego fans of all ages. It's a delightful and creative present. This set encourages creativity and imaginative play. It's a wonderful way to celebrate Easter and enjoy the spirit of spring. Bring the joy of Easter to life with this charming Lego set. It's a delightful addition to any Lego collection, offering a fun and festive experience. Get yours today. What we like. This set features an Easter chick egg from the Creator series. It's a simple build, perfect for a quick and fun activity. If you are looking for a small, easy-to-build Lego set, this one is a great choice. What people say. The set is very cute and has a lot of nice details. The build is fun and the finished product is adorable. The little chicks are so cute. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.